Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are cool. In today's class I want to take us how to cut a very simple way of cutting 8 pieces blouse. So after folding the fabric you want to use, just measure 4 inches. We can say it's constant 4 inches, but you can actually use 5 if you want to, but I think 4 inches is moderate enough for like this one to cut the front part. So you are going to measure 4 inches like that. So now start your normal measurement, like half length, under bust, bust point, then the upper bust. You know how we get those lines? I believe so. Under bust, bust point, then the upper bust. So after taking this 4 inches off, so you now start your normal princess cut. So from this waistline now, you're just going to open it down to the last edge of that 4 inches you measured. So you cut it out. So now you start your normal princess cut. This is the shoulder measurement divided by 2 plus half inch, so in allowance. From this point 4 inches downward. So come to your bust point, nipple to nipple divided by 2, then you add half inch. So calculate everything together, then you add the sewing allowance. Then whatever you have there minus half inch and mark it on your under bust line and waistline. Then you connect it together. It's very simple. So now from that line measure 6 inches or 7 inches. It's not constant. You can make it 7, you can make it 6, you can even make it 8. So but at least moderate one, 7 is okay. So you connect like this. So now you are going to cut. So now this is the center front. So you need to do now, just flip it over. After cutting, just turn it over like this. Then from here, just try to trace this shape. You understand? So when you get to that under bust, you just go up straight. You can use your ruler, but just make sure you're following this shape up to the under bust, then waistline. Then just rule it up straight. So now we want to form the side, that is the cup area itself. We want to form that now. Let me roll this line, let me make it thicker so that you know the one we're working with. So now 1.5 inch, just 1.5 inch. Then you come here, you measure 3.5 inches or 4 inches. It can be 3.5, it can be 4. So from your under bust now, you are going to give it a nice cup shape. You're going to shape it. You curve it up to that 3.5 inches you measured or 4 inches. So you are taking it there, then you cut it out. So this is it. So all you need to do now is mesh them together. You're going to mesh them together like this. Then take your final measurement, that is bust measurement divided by 4 plus 2 inches sewing allowance. Waist measurement divided by 4 plus 2 inches sewing allowance. The same thing on the under bust. So that is the way you're going to take your measurement. I hope you guys are following gently. It's not hard actually. When you take your time, you are going to get it. So this part, just open it to whichever place you want to open it to, but just make it reasonable. It's not that you go and open it anyhow. Make it reasonable. So from here, 7 inches downward for the armhole as usual. Then you curve. You curve like this. Then cut out the normal body measurement. If you look at it, the fabric isn't really enough for the shaping I want to do this side, so you just cut little piece to complete it. But just like I said, I can decide to just go a little bit straight so that I'll manage the material like that. That's why I say you can just open it to whichever place you want to open it to, but just please make it reasonable so that you're not go and do anyhow. If you do it anyhow, you see it anyhow. So if you look at it now, I think this shape is not bad. So this is the front part. So cutting the back now, just place them on each other, the remaining fabric. You're leaving 2 inches behind for zip allowance, then 1.5 inches for the back is add and the front 1.5 inch, then back 2 inches, zip straight. You're going to leave it straight like that. So now this is the side 2. Just place them on the remaining fabric. Actually, a bar lining 1 yard should be able to cut this, though it actually depends on the measurement you're working with. If you're working for a very big measurement, 1 yard will not be enough. Maybe 1.5 yard, 1.5 yard. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 pieces for the front part. We're almost achieving our 8 pieces. So now you are going to cut the same shape. When you get to your underbust, you fold the cup area a little bit like this. Then you cut it through. So meanwhile, this side back now, you are going to leave like 1 inch extension to make it higher than the front. So now you cut out the same shape too. Then your 8 pieces blouse is ready. It's as simple as that though. It's not hard. If you take your time to follow this, you are going to get it right. So this is it. 1, 2. These 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces for the side front, side back. Both of them 8 pieces together. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Please don't forget to share. See you next time.